Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to convert WebP to JPG. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, go to google.com and the search bar, search for WebP to JPG as GIF and tap enter. Then click the first website, scroll down, and here guys you can easily drag and drop WebP and convert it to JPG. For example, I have here this picture, and here we can easily drag and drop it and scroll down, and here you can change the quality of your picture. I'll make a full quality 100% and then click convert to JPG. And this is guys the picture. You can download it here, and this is our picture with the full quality. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.